Let me guess, you've been grinding on pull-ups, but your back still looks the same. Or maybe you feel more pain in your arms than your lats. Don't worry, bro, you're not alone. Most people kill their pull-ups, but today I'm breaking down the 3 mistakes that are ruining your gains, and I will tell you how to fix that.
Mistake number 1, half reps. First up, the half rep. This is when you barely go down and shoot back up like you're dodging rent collectors. Here's the problem. You're not working through your full range of motion, so your muscles aren't being challenged. Translation? Zero progress. Fix it like this. Start every rep from a full dead hang. Arms straight, shoulders relaxed, and then pull all the way up until your chin clears the bar.
Mistake number 2, swinging or kipping your legs like you're in a playground. Look, this just means you're cheating. Momentum might help you get over the bar, but your back isn't doing the work. How to fix it? Keep your core tight, legs straight or crossed, and move slow and controlled. Imagine you're glued to the wall, no swinging allowed. Trust me, you'll feel the difference instantly. Mistake number 3, shoulder shrugging. And the big one, shrugging your shoulders up to your ears. This not only kills your form, but also puts stress on your neck and traps instead of your lats. Here's how to fix it. Think about driving your elbows down, not just pulling up. Keep your chest slightly forward, squeeze your shoulder blades, and let your back do the heavy lifting. That's how you actually grow a wide back. So yeah, stop half ripping, stop swinging, and stop shrugging. Fix these mistakes and you'll finally see progress in your back, arms, and grip strength. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe to Skyreps. I've got more no-nonsense fixes and tips coming your way. Stay strong, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.